Last lesson we covered our back. Now we need to come out from the seed beads, size 10 as well, but for this I will need to pass with my thread and needle to the row that I will show you in the moment. We pass here. Our first row of crystals will be from the seed bead size 10. Here we have seed bead size 11, and here, so I'll show you one more time. Here we have our pink zircon stone. Here we have our seed bead size 11, and here we have our seed bead size 10 0. From here we'll start our first row. It is our last row of the seed bead size 10 0. It will be our first row of crystals, and our second row of the crystals will come out from the seed bead number 11, which is next to our zircon stone. For it we will take our crystal, bicon crystal, then I will take crystal which is a gray crystal, and seed bead size 15. I will skip seed bead size 15. I will enter only into the gray crystal, bicon crystal, and I will enter into the seed bead number 10 0 and pull. It's like a, here we came out from this seed bead, we added crystal, seed bead, and we entered into the next seed bead of size 10 0. Again, one crystal, one gray crystal, one seed bead size 15. We skip 15 0, enter into the both crystals, and enter into the next seed bead size 10. I will leave link to our tutorial where you can check step by step. Maybe if it's not so clear, because here is very similar colors, but I wanted you to show exactly this flower because it's beautiful. So if it is not very clear, I will leave tutorial as well where we added these crystals and you can see it even better. So here we are again, bicon crystal, gray crystal of 2 millimeters, and seed bead. And we skip seed bead, we enter into the both crystals, and we enter into the next seed bead of size 10 0. Again, one bicon, one round crystal 2 millimeter, one seed bead size 15 0 or 13 0 if you use Czech, and we enter into the both crystals and into the next seed bead of size 10, and we pull. Continue the same till the end of our row. 2 crystals, 1 seed bead, skip seed bead, enter into the both crystals and into the seed bead size 10. Here we are, our last crystal here, and we need to come out from the seed bead size 11 this way and pull. This is like a daisy. Beautiful design as well. Here you can decide. Sometimes to make this more interesting, you can add one row, for example, of green or gray or blue and make it two colored. It looks as well amazing, especially if these colors are in the color wheel opposite. It would be a very interesting idea as well. So you can choose here and create different designs. But for this tutorial, I will just continue with my pink AB crystals. And we do the same. 2 crystals, 1 seed bead on the top. And we skip our seed bead, enter into the 2 crystals and into the next seed bead size 11. This crystal should be not one on the top of another one, but our second row should cover and be in the middle of our 2 previous crystals of previous row. Crystal, 2mm crystal and seed bead. And we enter into the both crystals and into the next seed bead size 11. And we pull. Continue the same till the end of our row. And the last crystal here, we enter and pull. As you can see, still my thread is too short, but it's good that I finished work with crystals, so I will just now secure these both threads and I will add new thread to attach our pin. And our pin we will attach in our next lesson, and it will be last lesson for this brooch. Sometimes I go through the crystals one more time if I want them to be more stiff, but not in this situation. In this case, I like when they are a bit soft, because this gives a bit more shine to it. But you can decide. You can go through the all crystals and seed bead one more time, but for me I like when in this model they are a bit soft. I will secure our threads by making a knot and by weaving them to the both directions. And I think you know how to secure the threads, so I won't spend your time with it. See you in our next lesson.